All right, y'all, heading out for the 413 strong fishing tournament, fishing with Trey Sneed, and we're gonna knock them out. We are. I feel it. All right, let's get it. I'm on. I'm on already. First fish of the morning. Whee! Like a ledge here, right? Come on. You on? Your net? No? You know, flipping? He might. That's longer than mine, I think. Nice.
Got any meat to him. Look at there. 14 and a half.
Nice.
He was up on the bank.
Yep. Sun's not out yet. We're actually on the shady side anyway, I guess, aren't we?
He pulled on that line and my line just kind of went. It went like in a circle. He was swimming around with it. In circles.
Yeah.
It's weird. Really weird. I knew it wasn't right. I'm getting some contour changes here.
Come on.
Keeper?
No. I don't think so. Dang it. That's about the same size as the other one, I think, ain't it? Look at that little mouth. 13 and a half. They want the chatterbait though. No one for the camera, but not for the box. It's alright. 3 fish, ain't bad. They are hitting this weird though.
Yeah.
It is. It's like they're just grabbing it. They're not smacking it. I think they're chasing it from behind. And the way he was hooked, he probably did catch it from behind, you know?
Yeah.
Very strange. And I'm reeling way slower than I usually do too, so.
Well, it's deeper than we would normally do.
Yeah, I wouldn't usually fish a chatterbait this deep, but.
Hey, it's working.
Yeah.
Don't knock it.
Oh! Man, I got popped that time. I don't get it. Three things over there, and you hit 2 of them, man. Still can't catch it.
I did the same thing. Did not catch it. Alright.
My drag's not set very good. He's not that big.
It's probably a keeper.
That, man, sheesh. I'm telling you. I'm slaying the little ones. Sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to get you that bad. Another 13-incher. That's all I seem to be able to get right now. There you go. That might keep. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah? Maybe. Was he right by the tree? I mean, right by the telephone pole?
I lifted him straight up almost.
Yep.
What kind of frog is that?
It's one of those Dugan frogs. It's a eat me frog. That's what it's called anyway. that bait on the bottom? Are you seeing that?
I'm not really sure. Almost looks like grass or something.
Yeah.
But this is rocks.
Oh, that's a good one.
That might be a keeper finally. Maybe.
Slow down, slow down.
He's fighting harder. Oh, here we go. Nope. Dang it.
I don't think that's gonna keep. Golly. Measure him and see.
He felt better.
We're in 4 foot of water now. We were in 10 foot back there.
Yeah.
We're on this hump.
He's been caught recently. He's not a keeper.
13.
Right at it. I know what it is. I just need a bigger chatterbait so I can catch a bigger fish. If they make him any bigger. He hit the same way those other ones have been hitting. Just like I grabbed it, you know. Right near the drop off, basically. I don't know if they're sitting and looking up in the shallows or if they're just chilling, you know.
Still sitting on
I'm seeing bait on that hump, then there's a big drop off right below us. It's hard to tell if that's bait underneath us.
Yeah, there's bait.
Is that what you're seeing?
Yeah, those big clouds.
Yep. Purple and red, or purple and pink. They're hanging low. That's another one.
That's a better one. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
That might keep. I reeled him right up through the guides almost.
Maybe.
Come on in there.
I'm catching. I just can't keep.
He felt better than the other ones. Just fighting harder, maybe. Dang it.
Closer.
We'll call it 13 3/4. Still don't matter.
Get bigger. Jeez. What am I gonna do?
Dude, I ain't never caught nothing on a chatterbait, and you're in here wearing them out.
I can get a keeper. I'm breaking up my Dr. Pepper. I don't deserve one yet.
Yeah, there's a huge drop off.
How far out it is.
I don't know. Oh,
Fight?
I got killed. I was not ready. I was letting it drop. Unless. Oh, I'm on. That's a 12. I don't even have to measure this one. I know he ain't big enough.
Super Dink.
Yeah. I feel like there's gotta be bigger.
I got hit.
Huh?
I just let it drop.
If I wasn't catching on the chatterbait, I'd throw a spinnerbait on, but it's about the same concept, so.
Don't take that chatterbait off.
That's what I'm
That's a
saying.
funny bait.
I know.
It's waking up here just a few minutes ago. I was gonna drive by it. I was like, nah.
Come on. Oh, that's a decent. That might keep.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will. Slow down, slow down.
Maybe. Maybe. Maybe.
I finally got it.
I'm on this 13 and a halfers, man. Another one. Probably not a keeper. Man, look at that. Look at that. Can you see that?
Flip him over to the other side.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
Like
Sometimes
this?
it works. Yeah.
Closed mouth.
Do you make it touch at all? How long are you bouncing the bottom with it?
That one I was slow rolling it, and I hit what I thought was bottom. And then so I lifted it up and I started reeling real slow again, and then that's when he hit it. But that's when we just came out of that drop off. So another dink. How many is that? What, I got 8 dinks
I'm gonna say 10.
at least. It could be 10. It could be 10, but they're all dinks.
Shit, you've had several that were pushing the line, man.
I had that one.
You had one earlier that was 13 and a half.
And then, well, the other one, he was like right at, 13 and 15 sixteenths or something. I mean, it was on the wrong side of the line.
212 of one color and 280 something of the other color.
Not a keeper. I cannot get a keeper to save my life. All right, show off. I mean, catching's better than not catching, so, every time. You on? Net?
I don't know.
I got it. You got him, you sure?
Not that big.
Okay.
Definitely was.
Well, that worked. That's a fish. Was he up close or was he out?
Right on that.
Yeah.
He hit it, and it did. It felt like a bluegill bite.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Then I kept twitching my line a little bit to see if it was still there.
Yeah.
And then it just felt tight.